so we're reaching a new era where OnlyFans models are no longer needed because you can actually use AI. And there's an actual thing becoming along where people are actually using AI girlfriends online. Now, you may think, what the fuck is that? And that's what we thought when we initially heard this. However, it's an actual thing. People go online and get a girlfriend, which is a robot, an AI fucking robot, and date them. They're fully conscious that it's AI, or some of them may not be, because they may be a bit retarded, but most of them are fully conscious that it's AI, and they, date them.
They purely do not care that it's AI, because to them it seems like it's the most attention they've ever got and will ever get, which is obviously sad.
Yeah, and obviously AI communication is evolving very quickly. So obviously this is becoming a bigger and bigger topic and more advanced. So soon it would be very hard to tell between actual video call and AI, which is one reason why they like it, for obvious reasons.
Yeah, it's mostly like the video game type bloke who's gonna go and get like some AI girlfriend because they're like fantasizing about like non-real characters, and if they can then feel like they have a relationship with these said characters, then they're gonna be happy because they're fucking saddos and they're gonna carry on wanking off in their mum's basement, but with a girlfriend which is AI generated.
Yeah, which is fucking absolutely crazy. But obviously that's where life is going at this point. Prices with it, I believe you can charge quite a high price if you did end up running some of this AI kind of girlfriend software. Obviously it's not just an individual software, there's quite a few multiple AI technologies and assets that are required to be able to put together to be able to create this kind of product for this customer. So that does increase the price, the starting cost, and that will elevate that a little bit, but it is a growing thing. Worryingly.
Yeah, it's fucking sad. So this is where we come in and actually capitalise off of this and make some fucking money off of these sad cunts who sit online and chat to AI girls. So we can get fully AI generated girls, pictures, videos, voice notes, fucking everything. Set up accounts, make them look as real as possible. Even though that these blokes will most likely know that it's AI, they still do not care. They will still buy the content off of that girl because to them it is like a video game. They're like living out a fantasy. They're like, oh yeah, I like this girl online. I talk to her all the time. Fucking, blows my mind, but fucking
yeah, no, it is absolutely fucking crazy. But once again, if it makes you money and it's something you can do, then why not do it? Because most people won't have a fucking clue. They've probably never heard of this. Like the people that have heard of this, that have a little AI girlfriend, are probably fucking weird, and they wouldn't even dream about trying to make money from it. They just want to spend their money on it to talk to this fucking robot, basically. But with anyone with a brain would see that it's fucking delusional, and you could potentially make money from it. If you can do it from software on your computer, just make a fucking make a model, get them chatting, simples.
Yeah, 100%. And if you think, oh, it's harsh, like, you know, you're dragging these blokes in, making them like want a relationship with this girl and she don't even exist. Well, it's still a win-win because they're still getting the attention, the pictures, the videos, the voice notes, whatever the fuck, like however you run your AI models or AI girls. It doesn't matter. If they're paying for a service, they've basically signed up to do that and you're just providing a service to them. So it is a win-win. You're giving them the attention and whatever the fuck they want, and you're getting the money from them and providing a service. So I think that sums up pretty well the way the world is fucking moving. And I mean, it's good for blokes like us and probably blokes like you watching, or girls, whatever, because we actually have a fucking brain. We can make money off this shit, and we can let these lot wank over their AI girlfriends and do whatever the fuck they want in their mum's basement. It doesn't bother me, but they're giving me money, so.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, we're currently working with other people that are already doing this online, and we're cooperating with them to try to optimize the methods and make it as easy as possible for you to be able to do this online, and relate it back to obviously OFM. There is a final product, however, it still is a working process when it comes to relating it to OFM and how to pitch it and best methods, but hopefully shortly will have AI girlfriends available for people online.
Yeah, so if this does interest you and the content on the channel isn't quite enough and you want to learn how to verify on OnlyFans or whatever route you want to take to establish this AI model and actually get making money, we do have a course. There's a brilliant community within the course. In fact, we'll pop some of our students' AI models on the screen, and you can see that some of them are pretty scarily realistic,
Yeah.
and let alone the videos they're making, shit like that.